Hello and welcome back. Today we'll be discussing what improper fractions are, and they are actually the opposite of what proper fractions are, in the sense that even though they are fractions and the general form is, as you can see, a over b. There is some number at the top called the numerator and some number at the bottom called the denominator. Now that is what makes them a fraction. But the part that makes them a particular type of fraction, which is the improper fraction, is that the numerator, or the a portion, the upper portion, is going to be greater than or equal to b, which is the lower portion. Basically this means that upper portion is going to be big or equal, smaller portion is going to be smaller, the lower portion is going to be smaller or equal to the upper portion. Okay, so let's go through some of the examples. Like over here we have 6 divided by 6, or 6 over 6. Now this is called an improper fraction, the reason being that 6 is equal to 6. Now the upper portion is a is currently 6, and that is equal to 6. Now the upper portion can be equal to the lower portion, and that is fine. Another example in which the upper portion is bigger and the lower portion is smaller, 21 over 17. Similarly, we can see 56 over 9. Now whatever, you can have any numbers over here, okay, as long as they're a fraction, but the thing is that the numerator is going to be larger and the denominator is going to be smaller. That is basically what makes an improper fraction. And the thing is that because of the way it's defined, its value, its actual value, its numeric value is going to be always greater than or equal to 1. For example, 6 by 6 is equal to 1, and we have 21 over 17, which is equal to this number. Now as you can see, it is bigger than 1. 78 by 7, it is quite larger than 1. Okay, it's 11.142857. And the reason for this, why I can say this with certainty, is because of the way it is defined. Because I said that the numerator has to be bigger than the denominator, this is going to be the case. That is all. Thank you for watching, and I really hope you learned something.